Day 19, Natasha Denona. I need a nude palette. I'm gonna start with Silhouette, and we're gonna put that in the entire crease. Even though that is the darkest color, these colors blend so beautifully. You can sheer it out really nicely. It makes a gorgeous crease color as well. Or you can use it for that outer depth for drama. I can't say enough how versatile this palette is. A little bit of fair right up on the brow bone. I want to create a wet look, so I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray and a flat brush. And we're going to get that brush wet. And then I'm going to press in the corner of Delilah. Remember, you don't want to go in the middle because it is wet. We can do it just a bit in the corner. Don't want to change the consistency of the eyeshadow. I'm bringing it up slightly to the bottom of the crease. I just want a really pretty, soft, metallic look. Bake Awake on the lower waterline. I'm gonna take my favorite liner from Give. This is Thunderbolt, and you can see how much I love it. It's a metallic, it's like bronzy, brownsy, plummy, gray. I absolutely love this shade. It goes with almost any eye look that I use. On the outer third of the lower lash line, I'm gonna create a small baby wing. A quick and easy trick to clean up out here without using a wipe. Using your concealer brush, you don't need to add product. You're just gonna take that from the corner and bring it up and out. And it cleans it up immediately. Easy peasy. Whatever your lash game is, go ahead and do it. I'm going to curl my lashes and add 2 coats of my favorite mascara. This is how I like to do a smoky bronzy look. This is a great day to night look. So versatile, I love this. You can find everything here.